Biafra, Ipob drags Buratai, Governor Ikpeazu before U.S. court. The indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, has dragged 16 Nigerian officials to a United States District Court for the District of Columbia, for their complicity in the alleged extrajudicial killings of its members. The Ipob members were allegedly killed during protests in the wake of arrest and detention of its leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The officials dragged to court were, Tukur Yusuf Buratai, Lawal Musa Dora, Ibrahim Attahiru, Mi Ibrahim, Qasim Umar Sidi, Issa Magari Abdullahi, Solomon Erez, Ibrahim Kapatan Idris, Okizi Ikpeazu, Willie Obiano, Habila Hosea, Peter Nwagbara, James Oshim Nwafor, Hosea Karma, Basi Abang, and Johnson Babatunde Kokomo. The suit is grounded on two muscular United States statutes, the Alien Tort Claims Act, ATCA or ATS, the Alien Tort Statute, and the Torture Victims Protection Act, TVPA. Both laws have extraterritorial reach, meaning that they allow U.S. federal courts to assert long-arm jurisdiction that extends beyond the borders of America. In a statement, Ipob's Media and Publicity Secretary, Emma Powerful said, beyond the latest processes, and at the ensuing trial, Buratai, Ikpeazu, Obiano and others will be required to personally appear before the U.S. court to testify under oath and probing cross-examination that will dwell on the details of the Ipob killings and the complicity of other unnamed Nigerian officials. In a counter-motion filed on February 6, 2018, the US-based lawyers for the Biafran plaintiffs, Ipob, who brought suit against some Nigerian officials have strongly urged a United States federal court to proceed to trial on the merits, stressing the damning fact that the U.S. State Department has rejected a request from the Buhari-led Nigerian government for the State Department to intervene and stop the suit based on the sovereign immunity defense. At page 4 of the 35-page motion obtained by Ipob, our lawyers stated that despite an overture by the government of Nigeria, the United States Department of State has refrained from suggesting any defendant is immune from plaintiffs' TVPA claims under federal common law or otherwise. Neither has the State Department suggested that any defendant is a head of state in Nigeria. The counter-motion was necessitated by a motion filed by defense lawyers to dismiss the suit based on grounds that included the act of state doctrine, lack of jurisdiction and sovereign immunity. Dr. Bruce Fein and Associates, lawyers to Ipob, argued in opposite that such defenses are not allowed under the statutes upon which the suit was brought. Ipob's counsel also argued that defense motions are questionable because the defense lawyers are, before the court, fighting amongst themselves as to who should be recognized to represent the defendants. Abia State Governor Okizi Ikpeazu and Willie Obiano of Anambra State hired two law firms each, and both sets of lawyers were fighting as to who will represent them in court. We are not relenting in our pursuit of those responsible for the death of hundreds of innocent Biafrans, Powerful stated.